Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and we are coming back to our baluster once again, adding a variation to the center section of this process. Now, in the last video, we did a rope twist baluster. This time, we're going to add some flutes to the cylinder section. So let's go see how it's done on the Maverick E series. This entire demonstration will be done on the turning workstation, which is a module that can be added to the Maverick E series at any time. Normally, the dust chute is closed to contain all the sawdust during the machining processes. However, here we opened it up so that you can see all the cutting action. All the cutters used throughout this entire cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. Since this video is focusing on a variation of an existing spindle design that we did in a previous video, we're going to be going through the first two cutters pretty quick. If you want to see those broken down into greater detail and close-up shots where you have a better understanding of what's going on with the surfacing cutter and the tapered ball cutter, I recommend checking out the video, Turning Technique, Contour Turning from a Photo, Part 3. So after we duplicated the process of the previous spindle of turning it round with the surfacing cutter and doing the contoured sections with the 1/8 inch taper ball cutter, we can now proceed to the center section to add our fluted details to this existing baluster. Fluting is a very classical design and allows you to add depth and detail to your projects very quickly. So flutes come in all sorts of shapes and sizes based on the shape of the cutter that you're using. Here, this is a 1/2 inch core box cutter that is actually cutting the flute in 2 passes. We have a roughing pass and a finish pass for each flute, and there are 7 equally spaced around the circumference of our 1.5 inch diameter section. Now, this is all programmed in Conversational CAM, and we had the ability to not just plunge like a traditional flute has, where it leaves the radius of the cutter at both ends. Here we decided to add these ramps on both ends of the flutes that creates this fade-out transitional look. To support our customers and those interested in learning about CNC before they invest in one, we offer online workshops that cover all of these types of details and much more. Altogether, adding this fluting variation to the existing baluster design only took an extra 1 minute and 30 seconds to produce. It's pretty cool. Having the ability to both turn and index in a single spindle can really elevate your design applications and add some elegant details in a matter of minutes. So if you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC and what it can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010, or you can just leave your comments and questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations like this, just click right over there. Obviously, if you want to stay up to speed with what we're trying to do here and you're interested in what we're producing, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, check that notification box so you can be notified when new videos come out. As always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.